The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 30th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
It's like bodily action. Now you feel call of nature. So you have to pass urine.
No, that is correct.
That's all.
Does not attach.
Huh?
That action
No.
you are not attached.
Yeah.
આગલી શું હોય
ઉદાસીનો દાસીનો.
ઉદાસીન.
ના વિચાર.
The sum total is how to become gunasita.
Yes.
That is bhakti yoga.
But the last is the bhakti. Then finally he said like that. Mam cho vicharena bhakti yogi.
Yes. That is the only gunasita position.
These qualities are the taste of that man.
Huh?
After he attains that, these qualities are the taste of that
No.
man. How we can taste that man?
No. Testing, that is also stated. Just like these Europeans, Americans, in their previous position,
Yes.
they had many bad habits. But somehow or other, they are taken to Krishna consciousness.
Yes.
That is their position, Gunadita. Even by habit, they commit something mistake. That is not to be taken into account.
No, that is not true.
Because just here, just like a fan is moving
Yes.
and make the switch off. So the switch is off, that is first consideration. And after the switch being off, the fan is moving, that is no consideration. Do you understand? Because the fan was in force, so although you have made the switch off, it's still moving.
It's still moving, yeah.
And that is not to be taken into
That's
account.
not true. Yes, correct. Because it's the old past actions.
Yeah.
That wheel has to
Yeah.
move. And it has to stop of its own.
That because the switch is now off,
Yeah.
it will stop.
It is stopped.
Sat bhavati dharmatma. Sat bhavati dharma. Because he has taken to the shelter of Krishna. Therefore, his all past business is finished. Although due to past habits,
Yes.
sometimes we find some mistake. It is not to be taken. Because these things will go.
This will be because of
Very
the life
soon.
of past actions.
Yes, very soon.
It has, that wheel has to move and it will
Yeah.
stop of its own. Because you are
Sat
not giving further impetus.
what is that
to it.
verse? Sat bhavati dharmatma. Is that?
Sat शांति में दिगच्छति
हाँ।
ते प्रतिजानी न
Nami
मे भक्ता
Vaktappana.
विनिश्चित।
આગળ નોંધી દો.
दासीन वदासीनो गुणैः न विचाल्यते
એ ઘણા
गुणा वर्तते यो अवतिष्ठति न इङ्गते
પછી આગળ
समदोषः सुखस्वस्थः
સમલોષ્ટા સુખાંતના
To be careless. It's like somebody was asking me that rascal Bharati's article.
Yes.
Oh, that one Australian
Yes.
son. So these rascals may speak something,
Yes.
but we cannot stop our movement. Our movement is increasing all over the world.
There is a positive
In spite of all criticism.
That's
We don't care for that.
positive thing. There is no
Because we know that we are following the footsteps of predecessor Acharya. That's all. We don't mind. And actually it is happening. Otherwise, within 6-7 years, so much progress could not be possible. What is the word exact?
આરંભ
આરંભ.
Arambha.
આરંભ
આખું વાંચો ને ફરી
માનવ માનવ તુલ્ય તુલ્ય મિત્ર વિપક્ષ સર્વ આરંભ પરિત્યાગી.
That is another meaning, is beginning.
હા બિગિન ધેટ્સ રાઈટ
So,
Beginning of what?
there is no beginning. Just like it is already taken to Krishna consciousness. So why should he take something else beginning here? That should continue.
આરંભ of what but આરંભ is a વૃદંત
And another Arambho
Arambha.
That is humbug. Humbugism. Arambha.
Arambha nahi, this is Arambha.
Arambha.
Sir,
Arambha.
Arambha.
Arambha means beginning. So it is already begun chanting Hare Krishna. What is the new thing? You begin this, you begin that. No more. That's all. Final. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare
That is
Nama,
right.
Kevalam.
But even then you have got to eat. You have got to go to WC. You
That
have
is
got to
going
walk
on.
the street.
That is going on.
On these are these Arambha Parityagi. You don't take any cognizance of these works being done by the body. I think that is to my mind the exact meaning. I have not been able to grasp and I want it.
That I've already explained. If you have taken seriously Krishna consciousness, so something happening due to my past habit, you should not take care of it. It will subside.
Ek
It
rang
is not an
sarva.
Arambha.
Sarva Arambha Parityagi.
This is the final conclusion. Final conclusion. That if anyone has taken devotional service seriously, of Babhicharini means
Pativrata.
as instructed by the spiritual master. If one takes this business very seriously and is executing that, then he is Gunatita. That's all.
Brahmano hi pratishthaham amrutasya.
Brahma means Vedas. Brahma means there are so many things. So many things. There is either Brahmana, Brahma Jyoti. People are very much impersonalists. They think realization of Brahma Jyoti is final. Just to reply them, this sloka is Brahmana Aham Pratishtha.
Aham pratishtha. I am.
Where from this Jyoti is coming? This is very
from
common sense.
Correct.
A Jyoti, just like this Jyoti, this clearness, no darkness, where from it is coming? Everyone knows it is coming from the sun. Without the sun, why at night there was no such Jyoti? Because the sun